have some flooded workings.
That's what we come here for. Hey folks, we're back underground. There he is.
Here we go again.
Yeah, the ROV today, isn't it?
Yes, yeah, I've got the ROV there.
In the bag there.
So,
there's Lois. Can't see her because we're torch.
Yeah, lighting everything up. So instead of, as a little break from water wheels, we're going to do some ROV today. We're in a mine which dates from the 1820s, 1830s, and we're actually standing, and you can see how high the floor is. This is the original floor up here. So there's a late 18th century level running above us, and we're standing in this newer level down the bottom here. So we've got some pretty big flooded stopes further in that we're going to send the ROV down, and hopefully we shall find wondrous things.
Yes, it's a revisit to a mine.
Yeah, we've been here before, haven't we?
But not in the Windsors.
And we've never sent the ROV down before.
Also, we haven't been beyond that engine shaft.
Correct.
So we'll film that too.
So there's some new stuff as well for us today. And obviously the ROV, we haven't got coming in with that either. So we've got to get through all of this stuff that we've been through before, and then we'll see what we find.
Well, some of our new subscribers haven't seen this, so...
Absolutely. We'll show you where we're going.
And a modern ladder there.
Yeah. That goes up to another old level up there.
Look at this.
So we're on the load, following the load. There's some hefty stopes along here, some of which have partially collapsed, as you can see. But it's a lead and zinc mine that we're in today. Our usual type of mine. You can't go wrong with a nice old lead and zinc mine.
You feel those? It's a bit of a backbreaker, isn't it, this one?
It is a long, long walk through running water.
And very low level.
Yeah.
How long do you reckon?
It's a good half mile. Yeah. Running all the way underneath the old workings. So it's a long walk. And, well, pretty much as you can see, through water most of the way. And if they did it 6 inches higher, it would have been quite comfortable, but it's just a little bit too low to stand up straight on. Good exercise though.
Absolutely.
So all of a sudden it gets higher.
Yeah.
And the shot holes go the other way. So thanks to the miners, they also agreed, and they've actually blasted out the roof here backwards so they'd get higher. So you've got a bit of headroom.
That was might be working in that. Huh?
But yeah, if you come up here, you can see that all of a sudden the roof is quite a bit higher. And all these shot holes going backwards.
Oh yes.
So they've blasted it out backwards, and there's a candle. Nice candle.
Oh yes. Oh.
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
Fingerprint on the side
Oh,
of
look
it.
at the teeth.
Teeth.
The calcite teeth.
Oh yeah.
I was thinking that. Check out the candle, look.
Lovely.
Behind you here, look.
Oh, those, yeah. Lovely.
Oh, we're nearly there.
Nearly there.
That was something else.
Oh, awesome. And look, you can imagine how it was before they raised the roof. The roof would have been like here somewhere, like it has been back there. But thank you very much. And all these shot holes going backwards, they must have blasted it out.
Not worth it though.
Odd that they didn't do that all the way though, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe they've run out of
Maybe.
money or
Yeah.
whatever.
The mine closed and they were halfway through it. Yeah.
It's a big mine though.
Huge. They come in about a quarter of a mile now, if not a bit more.
There's a big chamber here.
There's a horse up here.
Ah. Check out the timbers.
These are lovely, aren't they?
Amazing. I've made such lovely shelving. The grain in them will be superb.
Yeah, don't get any idea. Yeah, nice little wheelbarrow.
So look at a horse.
It's a horse with a with an impaled head.
So there's a shaft nearby.
Merry-go-round.
People have been unfortunately.
Oh, hang on. There's a big blob on the camera. There we are.
Yeah,
hang on, let me... That's better. You can see now.
So we have a shaft nearby. Unfortunately,
Oh God, that's freaky.
people have been dumping rubbish down it. And that's why all this is here. Look at that.
That is freaky.
The big cut they done here now.
There doesn't seem to be much mineral up there.
No, nothing
followed
at all.
Something, but yeah.
Near Lois
There's a
coming.
little bit of quartz. If you look up on that wall there, see there's a little bit of quartz that follows.
Oh yeah, look at the circular,
Yeah.
the way the rock is.
Yeah.
It's like they've bored towards, that's the centre there, see where the blast hole is?
And then shaved around that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lois made it.
Good. We've gone to the horse head chamber.
You've been taking lots of photographs.
Most of it, so. Yeah, lots of it.
Look at the above
Look at
here.
this rise coming up here.
Creep it over.
There it is.
This goes up a long way.
These planks or something else. Wow. Yeah, wow.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Now we can walk upright.
And then it's going to seesaw up. No, not quite.
Wow.
Lovely Pasadena up here.
Very nice.
Yeah, these backward shot holes all the way along here. So they've started from the in by end, blasted their way out, and then they just never got to the end. And that's why the roof suddenly takes a dip. All of these are going backwards.
And this line's from about 1830.
Well, it opened
1860.
in about 1770 and it worked all the way up till the 1920s.
Oh, it did it?
Yeah, long period of working, yeah. But this attic would have been driven during the first half of the 19th century.
Right.
Come into the, because most of the mine is up on the moor, so this attic was designed to come in from the next valley and drain all the main mine shafts to a depth of about 24 fathoms and take out the water at that height. So they only had to pump the water from the deep workings up to this level instead of all the way to the top, and then all the water could drain out this way.
Makes sense.
Saves a bit of power and whatnot and pumps. Split personality.
Which way are we going?
I think it's this way. I'll follow the water.
Oops, going over. That's a cracker, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it? And there's a better cracker up there. Look, there's a kibble on the floor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get to that bloody wind. There it is.
Nice one.
Here's the rubbish shaft.
Yeah, first chance.
Full of junk. Old motorbike.
Yeah.
We're almost there, Lois. Hey, hey. Here, underwater plank.
Need any oil drums?
Oh my god.
Selection of oil drums and whatnot.
That's terrible. Here, they've dumped it out from above.
Yeah.
That's awful.
How high the water's been. Right up here. Ah, here we go. We have some flooded workings.
What do we come here for?
And luckily, the water's flowing out, so we shouldn't cloud it up because the water's going to.
Wow.
So this is it.
We'll rig up over there, we'll set up over there.
Okay.
That's where it's going.
So we got this stope. There's another one just down there too. So we got two choices. 2 places to send. Well, and another. There's 3 actually. There's 3 choices. So
That one first.
That we'll do them in order, shall we?
Yes.
Other side or this
Yes,
side?
other side.
Other side.
Set up in the dry.
Okay. Try not to cloud up the water if you can.
Nope. Won't do that. Keep it clear. There we are. There we go.
Just gonna let it down gently because it's a bit of a rock smash.
Oh dear.
There it goes. Nice and slow.
Nearly there.
Okay, we're in. Alright, let me get my phone out before you go.
Well, we're in.
Don't go anywhere yet.
It's raining or something.
Record?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Right, off we go then.
Oh, unfortunately, it ain't going to go anywhere, I don't think.
Down there?
It's such a dusty mine. It's a level.
Oh, it's a level. Straight in.
Yeah.
Not sure what it is. What's that on the floor there?
Ceiling's leaking on it.
Just planks.
Yeah.
Thought it was another hand barrow. That's a collapse zone. Oh no, it goes up.
Is it recording there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, wouldn't have thought this.
Well, I think that we're in a level, yeah. Let's get out of there. That's better.
There we are at the rain now.
Okay. This has been backfilled as well, hasn't
Oops,
it?
that's the end.
It's been backfilled, yeah, to the roof.
Up we go on that way then.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We find something.
Similar to the other level, isn't it? That it's been all sort of
Yes.
backfilled once they weren't using it anymore.
There's the ladder.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
Okay.
pretty. Yeah, so we're right above that.
Nice.
There's 2 of them.
2 ladders.
2 ladders.
Yeah.
Two little
We'll
ladders.
go that way then.
Yeah.
Over the hump.
Oh, it's very silted up.
Oh, it goes down.
Oh,
Oh,
it's good on. Turn round. Drink driving. It doesn't go anywhere.
go up a little bit. Off the ground. There we go. Down over the edge to the right, or is it just a block?
Just a block. You can see that. That's it. Let's get up the silt really fast.
Yeah, it's just like one little chamber, isn't it?
That's it. Yeah.
Warp speed.
Well, that's the ROV in for this mine.
Yep. Well, at least we got one lovely artifact anyway.
Yes, absolutely.
I'll stop record. Everything all tied up in here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay.
So, step forward here. There you go.
So what's the table in front table?
Would it be safer to go down this side? If you just look over there, there's 2 planks, kind of. It might be clearer to go down on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, down in there.
Slow.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, down into the depths. Big stope.
Massive open stope.
Oh, look at that. You just keep on going until we hit something.
Wow, it opens up.
Where's the depth now? Oh, there, yeah.
16 feet, yeah.
Cool, look at that. Just keeps on going.
So that depth gauge we had on there before was the watermark, actually.
I see. 30 feet. So every level was about 60 feet apart.
There's a level.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah, that does look like one. It does look like a level, doesn't it? 43 feet. It might be a false floor, it might be a level. Looks more like a level.
Oh.
Ooh. Now then.
Dead end.
Dead end that way. What's straight up? Are we still in the bottom of the stope? Yeah, we are. It still goes up.
Yeah. We'll have a look up though.
Oh yeah, I can see. Oh, I can see it. Yeah, I can see the lights. Okay.
Don't look what that is. Just rubble.
I think it's just timber. Yeah, timbers and rubble. Yeah. Okay. So we're going underneath us.
There's timber there, and it goes down more. Like.
Oh yeah.
That's not timber, is it? That's a pipe.
Is that a pipe or a rail?
Check where we are from above.
Wow. Jeez. So when you're screen recording on this now, so the ROV camera's going and the screens both are going at the same time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I wonder if it'll fit through there.
Yeah, it'll go down this side.
Just going to look over here first.
Yeah, see what's over on that side.
Oh, there's a bigger hole there. Like.
Ah, yeah. That's going up.
Me turning it.
Is that a rotted out false floor you're going across the top of now?
I think it is, yeah.
What mode am I in? Lots of timber.
It's like an ore shoot. I think it's the remains of an ore shoot.
Yeah, it is.
We look at all that shuttering, yeah. It's an old ore shoot. So that's looking straight up.
No.
Is it not?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think that's going straight up, man.
Is it?
Yeah, you're going
oh,
straight
yeah, look
up.
at it on the screen.
You're going straight up, yeah.
I'm super duper concentrated on it.
So that's going vertically back to us.
Yeah, I'm going to turn around and get my bearings.
Okay. So there's the roof of the stope.
I see light in the wings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back down. So down the ore chute, and then that way is going to be on.
Actually, I should turn off that pitch angle. We don't need that.
Oh yeah.
Down to the level we go.
Yeah.
I got a little bit lost there. Though. This is
There
a
we
different
go.
level.
But there's the pipe.
Oh no, that's the pipe. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the pipe. Yeah, so we're back where we started.
See
now,
what I
yeah.
got? I went wrong.
That way.
Timbers. I went up there.
You went up instead of along. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, we don't want that happening.
Through there.
I don't know if I'm standing on the wire or not.
No, you're not.
Now, this takes some driving skills.
So this should carry on. It will. To be honest, we probably don't need to bother because there's another open flooded stope along there. We're just going to get to that. So that's probably
We're
just
better
a
off going
stope.
straight down.
I think we should go straight down. Yeah, because we'll be over there in a minute when we do the next ROV.
I've got to get out the dust first.
Yeah, get back to the pipe, and then just go straight down. I reckon.
We get out the muck.
Mm-hmm. There.
Let's get out the muck first. I'm losing my bearings here.
That's all right.
It's super easy to get disorientated.
Yeah.
Right, that's going to have to
That's
clear.
back the way we came. So go back that way a bit. There we are. That's back in that little level.
Right, that was
So-
a bit wrong, that did.
So spin round. And then we want to go down past that pipe.
Right.
See how cloudy,
Bit risky
see
now.
how cloudy it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on full beam.
There we go, it's thinning out a bit. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
It's cloudy down there though.
Little bit.
Oh, stuck. Can't see.
Okay, we're going to do the next one.
Come at it from another angle.
They're going to go the same place, yeah.
Messed it up, folks.
You've only got to touch one of those sides and that's
it's
it.
just clouded up,
cloud
isn't
of
it?
dust.
Yeah.
So this is going up, isn't it?
Yeah, that's back where we went wrong just now, so you want to go to the right.
Just want to have a look here.
Yeah. That's coming up under our feet.
This one clouds up so easy. With the roof.
It's got all that irony.
It's very sort of, there's a lot of dust and clay
all over the walls.
That's a shame.
Yeah.
What's that? Piece of rock.
I think so.
It's yeah, I've never seen it so dusty.
Yeah. You can see the walls are all coated in that
around the
iron.
timber there, aren't you? Is that right?
Yes. False floor.
Yeah. There we go. Here it comes.
Well, went a bit wrong there.
So that just goes to a level,
It
and
doesn't
then it
go
carries
anywhere.
on, and then it goes along and it goes down again across. So I'll stop recording now.